Welcome to Barcoding Online Services Training video. This secure, web-based asset management application, more commonly referred to as BOS, allows enterprise businesses to easily manage their mobile devices by tracking their location and status, processing repairs through its direct integration with Zebra and Honeywell, and generating concise reports. This training session will provide an overview of searching for assets, viewing asset details, creating an RMA, and running a variety of reports. Let's get started. To log in, enter your email address as your username, followed by the password that you have created. This will launch the search screen, where you can locate an asset by entering any of the items listed in the search field, although the serial number is the most typically used. As you type, you will notice that BOS begins to return a list of values that match the characters entered until a perfect match is found. Once located, you can instantly see not only the serial number, but the model number, description, contract number if applicable, along with the status of the asset and its location. To view the details of this asset, click on the magnifying icon found to the far left. This will launch the Asset Details screen, which contains all of the information about this particular asset. Use the scroll bar on the right to advance through the screen. As you scroll, you will see carrier information, contract information, customer fields, RMA history, and lastly history, which contains an entry for each time this asset has been touched, from the day it was entered into BOS until the current date. If changes are needed to any of the information found on the Asset Details screen, the Update Asset button on the bottom of the screen must be clicked in order for the information to be updated. Next, let's learn how to create an RMA. From the same Asset Details screen, you will find an Actions section to the far right of the Details section, where you will click on Create RMA. The Create RMA screen will be displayed. This screen contains the name of the repair depot and is automatically populated with the serial number and service contract information if available. It also contains 5 required fields: the return location, contact name, contact phone number, email address, and symptoms. The return location field will default to the device's current location, and the contact fields will be pre-populated based on the user's profile. Continue by entering a reference number if you so choose. Next, click in the Select Symptoms field to generate a list of common problems. Use the scroll bar to advance through this list and select one or more that most closely describe the problem you are experiencing. Once chosen, utilize the Reason field to provide more detailed information. This is very important as it enables the repair depot to more fully understand what is needed to get the device up and running again. When the form has been fully completed, click on the Create button. Creating an RMA will trigger a series of email notifications to keep you apprised of the progress of the repair. The first serves as confirmation that the RMA has been created. The second contains the packing slip along with instructions for shipping the device to the repair depot. Additional notifications will be generated when the device is received by the repair depot and when the device is shipped. These email notifications are optional and very customizable, as are many of the features found in BOS. One of the many benefits of utilizing BOS is the ability to run a variety of reports that will enable you to not only generate concise information about the assets, but also stay on top of RMAs and their status. These reports can be found by scrolling over the 4th icon in the menu bar. Let's take a look at the Asset Details report. As with all BOS reports, there are many ways that the information can be filtered. In the case of the Asset Details report, you can filter by status, location, product, service contract, and even date range. Once the parameters have been entered, click on Search to display the results on the bottom portion of the screen. You can instantly obtain this report via email by clicking on the Email Report button. You also have the ability to print and copy the report, as well as export the information to CSV, Excel, or PDF formats. This functionality applies to all reports. In the event these reports do not exactly fit your needs, BOS offers a custom asset report which enables you to clearly define the information you need. As you can see, BOS is a very dynamic asset management tool that can save a company time, money, and effort, in addition to keeping track of mobile devices more efficiently than ever before. If you have any questions concerning this training video or need further instruction, please send an email to boss@barcoding.com.